Namaste Meredos, welcome to Thai Ops Belajar di India channel. Sebelum mulai, jangan lupa subscribe dan nyalakan notifikasinya ya buat info-info menarik tentang India. Halo Meredos, gimana kabarnya? Semoga kalian sehat selalu ya. Nah, di video kali ini kita akan kembali berkolaborasi dengan Dr.Kishore dari Suknana Talks dan kita akan melanjutkan sesi Easy Mathematics with Sita. Tanpa berlama-lama lagi, yuk kita langsung mulai aja.
Good evening friends, welcome back to Sugnana Talks and TIES UPS series of Vedic mathematics videos. And last week we have discussed a sutra and hope you have practiced it. And this week we are having another exciting information. We all know that, as someone said, life starts from zero and ends in zero. In fact, everything is linked with zero. So today you might have got the hint about the sutra that we are going to discuss. Yes, it is linked with zero. The name is Sunyam Samya Samuchaye. Sunyam means zero. Samya Samuchaye. When some condition is met, something should be equated. I just translated into English, not exactly word by word, but the essence of this sutra I've just translated as when certain conditions are met, we have to equate it to zero. That is what Sunyam Samya Samuchaye is all about. So Samya Samuchaye has got different set of meanings for each and every situation. For example, you see here, in fact, we are going to make it as 2-3 videos based on the conditions that we discuss here. So when it comes to Samuchaye, here we are proposing a sutra where if the numerators are equal to a same numeral, it can be 1, 2, 3 or something else. And if the denominators are existing, you can add the denominators and can be equated to zero. For example, if you have to solve this expression, the usual procedure is we have to take an LCM of this and you have to make the factorization and then simplify the numerator side and bring this denominator to the other side of the equation and solve it for x. It's a lengthy process. But the sutra says if something is same, for example in this case numerator is same, that means which is equal to the number 1. In that case, denominators can be added and equated to 0. That means 3x minus 2 is the denominator of first fraction and 2x minus 1 is the denominator of the second fraction. Right? So 3x minus 2 is the denominator of first fraction. 2x minus 1 is the denominator of second fraction. Then add this 3x and 2x, which is equal to 5x. Minus 2 minus 1, which is equal to minus 3. So according to Sunya Samuchaye Sutra, Sunya Samya Samuchaye Sutra, or otherwise, it should be equated to 0. So 5x minus 3 should be equated to 0. So 5x, when minus 3 goes to this side, it is 3. And x equals to 3 divided by 5. So in the earlier case also, that means when you do it with a long procedure in the sense, we have, yes, this is the procedure by taking LCM. In this procedure also we got x as 3 by 5 and by following the sutra also, in one step, we have got x as 3 by 5. That means the process is simplified. Let us see the other condition. For example, the numerator is not just a number, a numeral. Instead of, it is also an expression. Then in that case, in which way you can apply this Sunya Samya Samuchaye Sutra? It is so simple. Add these numerators on both sides of the fraction. 3x plus 4, 3x plus 5. Here numerator means this is n1 and this is n2. I'm just showing the pointer to you. So 3x plus 4 I am calling it as n1, 3x plus 5 I am calling it as n2. Add both of them. 3x plus 3x 6x, 4 plus 5 is 9. In the same way, add denominator. Once again, we end up with 6 plus 9, 6x plus 9. So numerators, when you are adding also, you are getting 6x plus 9. Denominators, when we are adding also, we are getting 6x plus 9. Then something is similar. So it should be equated to 0 as per the sutra. So 6x plus 9 is equal to 0. 6x is equal to minus 9. X is equal to minus 9 by 6. When you divide this with a common number 3, so it goes 3 times here, it goes 2 times in the denominator. So you get the answer as x equals to minus 3 by 2, which is very simple. So apply the sutra to this also. 5x plus 7, n1, 5x plus 12, n2. Then what we have to do? Let us add 5x plus 5x, 10x, 7 plus 12, 19. So it is 10x plus 19. Add denominators on both sides of the expression. Then 5x plus 5x, 10x, 12 plus 7, 19. So here also we got 10x plus 19. So when you add the numerators, you are getting 10x plus 19. When you are adding denominators, you are getting 10x plus 19. So something is similar. Then that should be equated to 0. So 10x plus 19 should be equated to 0. Then what happens? 10x equals to this plus 19 when it goes to other side minus 19. X equals to minus 19 divided by 10. So the equation is solved in a simple manner. Sometimes you can have this equality differs by a multiplying factor like k. Let me tell you very clearly with an example. 2x plus 3 is the numerator on this side and x plus 1 is the numerator on the other side. So let us add n1 plus n2. 2x plus 3 plus x plus 1, 2x plus x, 3x, 3 plus 1, 4. 3x plus 4. Then add denominator also. 4x plus 2x, 6x. 5 plus 3, 8. So 6x plus 8. When you take 2 common, 2 into 3x, 2 into 4. So 3x plus 4 becomes common and 2 is the numerator, which is a multiplying factor. Now 3x plus 4 is common in the sum of numerators as well as sum of denominators. So this 3x plus 4 should be equated to 0, 3x equals to minus 4 and x equals to minus 4 by 3. And let us do this as a homework or an exercise. Just do it without using pen and paper. One is similar, so 4x plus x, 5x, minus 3, minus 2, minus 5. So 5x minus 5 should be equated to 0. So x equals to 5 by 5. X equals to 1. I request you to try the other one also. And similarly these two by using the sutras today we have discussed, which is nothing but Sunya Samya Samuchaye. When something is equal, make it equal to 0 and solve it. I hope you understood this. In this sutra, we have 2 more conditions. With the differences also we can easily solve. This is how your simple algebra becomes very, very simple. I hope you enjoy this video. And in the next video, we'll continue some more examples related to Sunya Samya Samuchaye. Thank you. Continue watching Sugnana Talks and TIES UPS.
Thank you Dr. Kishore for your explanation. Nah, gimana Meredos? Hari ini kalian dapat sesuatu yang baru lagi bukan? Oke, sampai sini dulu ya Meredos. Dan kalau ada pertanyaan, kesan-pesan, kalian jangan lupa untuk menuliskannya di kolom komentar. Sekian dulu video kali ini dan jangan lupa ikuti terus sosial media kami. Kabi Aufida Nakina, Pirmilenge.
कभी